Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a square. The side length of this square is 6 units, and this is the diagonal of this square, and this point is the center of this side, and they are formed a triangle, and we have to find the area of this green triangle. At first, draw a parallel line of this through this point. Consider this red line is this parallel line, and this line is divided into two parts by this point, and consider this as length S1 and the length of this is S2. As this is the midpoint of this side, so this point to this point, this is 3 unit, and this is also 3 unit, because the side length of this square is 6 unit, and the total length of this side is 6 unit. Now focus on this triangle A, B, C, and triangle D, B, and E. In this two triangle, this angle is equal to this angle, because these two sides are parallel and intersect by this line AE. So these two angles are equal. For similar region, this angle is same as this angle. So rest of these two angles will be equal. For this region, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBE. And for this similar to triangle, the ratio of height of this two triangle is 1 divided by is 2. This length divided by this length is equal to this side DE, which is 3 divided by this side AC, which is 6, is equal to this 3 over 6. Simplifying this, we get 1 over 2. Now applying cross multiplication, we will get H2 times 1. So we have H2 is equal to this 2 times H1. So 2 times H1. Consider this as equation number 1. Again, this H1 plus H2, this red line, is equal to the side of this square, which is 6 unit. So sum of H1 and H2 is 6 unit. So H1 plus H2, this is 6 unit, or H1 plus, we have H2 is equal to 2 times H1 from equation 1. Now substitute it here, we can write 2 times H1 is equal to, right side is 6, or H1 plus 2 times H1, this is 3 times H1 is equal to, right side is 6. Now divided both side by 3, we will get the value of H1 is equal to 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So the height of this green triangle is 2 unit, and we have base is equal to 3 unit. So the area of this triangle will be half times base times height. Now substitute this value. Half times base of this triangle is 3 unit and height of this triangle is 2 unit, is equal to this 2 and this 2 will cancel out and it will be 3. And this is the area of this green triangle, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.